What's up, everyone? I'm about to install this AWE exhaust system. Alright, let's get it. I'll give you a before real quick. See how it sounds. Cold start. Since there's already a lot of videos on how to do the change yourself, I think I'm just gonna skip over to the installation when it's done. But if I run into any issues, then I'll record it. Alright, yo, that's how far I've gotten. You can do this with ramps, just a little tight for access back there. Yeah, we're almost there. I'm almost done. There she is in all her glory. Installed.